Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to restart REALME. To restart any REALME smartphone, we are going to use the sequence of buttons, volume up and power button. Press and hold those buttons to go to power menu. Now swipe up to restart. This sequence is used in every latest Android smartphones. If you want to only use power button, let's go to settings and search for gestures. Enter power button and select power menu instead of digital assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.